Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to Next Level English Prep. Today, we're learning about three important comparative structures in English: the same as, the more. These expressions help you compare things, people, or situations and sound more natural in everyday English. We use comparatives to talk about similarities and changes between things. Like in these sentences, this phone is as expensive as that one. It means they both cost the same amount. Let's go through each one of these step by step. Let's start with the same as. The structure's pretty straightforward. A is the same as B, and it means that A and B are equal or similar. They're basically identical in some way. Like, my car is the same as yours. Next, we have as. The structure is as plus adjective plus as. And it means that two things have the same quality or degree of the adjective used. Like, she is as tall as her brother. They're both exactly 5 feet tall. To make it negative, we can just add not. He is not as tall as his brother. It means he's a little shorter. Now for the more advanced pattern. This one's a little difficult. We use this one to show that two things change together. When one thing increases, the other increases or decreases too. For the structure, we use the more or less plus adjective, it could be an adverb or a noun, plus subject plus verb, comma, the, and then we repeat the structure to show that these two things change together. And it's important to remember to use a comma between the two parts of the sentence. So the more you practice, the better you become. This pattern's really common in spoken English, and it sounds really natural. See if you can fill in the blanks with the correct comparative structure. Go ahead and pause the video while you work. Here are the answers. Try answering these questions out loud or share your answers with us in the comments below using the more, the. Now, do the same thing with these questions using as, and the same as. And that's it for today's lesson on intermediate comparatives. Now, you know how to use the same as for equality, as for comparisons, and the more, the for connected changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the mini grammar lessons playlist for more helpful grammar videos. See you next time on Next Level English Prep.